What's up, YouTube? Thomas back with another video. Today we are going to talk about cheap locks and why you shouldn't buy them. This is just a cheapo padlock you buy at Walmart or Dollar General. They're about a third of the price of, a good master lock, but it's worth investing into a good lock, and this is why. We've got the two pieces. One's a pick, one's a little lever, just a little L shape, and you're going to stick the little L shape down the bottom part here, down the wide part of the lock or keyhole, and then you're just going to work your pick all the way on the back, all the way to the back from the top of the slot, and there you go. Popped right open. Let's try it again. Work it all the way to the back. Just jiggle it around in there, and it'll pop open. Let's try that again. Right into the bottom wide part of the slot. Take our pick into the narrow part of the slot where the pins are, and we're just going to work back to the back of the keyhole. Once you are back there, wiggle it around up and down, and it pops open. Buy a good lock. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.